Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting permissions. Open System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and enable screen recording for OBS so Mac OS allows captures. Once done, install or update OBS to the latest stable release and make sure microphone access is enabled for voiceovers. Next, choose your capture mode, full screen for system audio, window capture for a single app, or display capture for everything. I recommend a 16:9 canvas. This gets you recording ready quickly and avoids permission errors that stop captures before you now build the scene. Create a new scene and add sources, display capture for screen, window capture if you want a single app, and video capture device for your webcam. Once added, configure audio. Enable desktop audio and your mic/aux, apply a noise gate, and adjust gain so levels sit around -12 to -6 dB. Then arrange layers, crop with option drag to remove unwanted chrome, and lock sources so you don't accidentally move them during recording. These steps produce a clean, stable capture. You're ready to record. Set output to recording with MKV Safer or MP4, choose an encoder, X264 or Apple VTH264, and target a bitrate around 8000 kb/s for crisp captures. Assign hotkeys for start/stop, and use push-to-talk for controlled narration. After recording, remux MKV to MP4 with an OBS if you need broader compatibility. If you encounter a black screen, make sure screen recording permission is enabled. Reopen System Preferences and toggle OBS permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.